Hi everyone, this is Doreen with DL Lane Photography. Today I put together a short collection of videos of a few of my favorite Elvis cute moments. I hope you enjoy it. Then we can have you have some more millet later. Okay, baby? Yeah. He's such a good boy. Elvis is such a good boy. Yes, you are. In this shot, I was editing another video that had Elvis doing a lot of chirping on my computer, and the real Elvis went a little bit nuts. Oh, goodness. Hello there. You missed your mark a little bit that time. I'm just holding my hand there. Yeah, it's a little bit too much for you, huh? A little bit too much. Back down. Back down. Elvis, back down. Oh my goodness, you're so funny. You're such a goof. Okay. Oh, goodness. What you got there? You got something on there? You saving that for later, sweetheart? And let Mama get that off. Yeah, let Mama get that off. There you go. You're all good now. You can continue. Killing me, bird. You're killing me. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. You silly little bird. He flew from my foot up to my head. Thank you for stopping by and watching. We hope you found this video entertaining. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and Elvis and I will see you again soon.